Here's one of the cicadas right here. You can see it trying to climb up. Looks like it has orange eyes, so that's what the female.